I heard about Hip Hop Don't Stop through Andy because he's always going on and on about it at the end of class.
Positive, non-judgmental vibes that I thought, that kind of sounds like the right place for me.
Teachers that came here are really good and they're very skillful and they talk to you a lot about the history and stuff, and it was really good.
The teachers are incredible.
It's just like so much fun and everyone's really supportive.
The event has exceeded my expectations just by the intensity and prestige of it all. I mean, there are some people here who are just, phenomenal in talent.
Helps you with confidence and friendships and dancing, obviously.
3 days of madness, intensity, and good times and happiness.
Everyone and everything has just been lovely so far.
It's hard, but it's fun, and you have to fight the dragon before you get the treasure. And this is a treasure.